Hello, everybody. Good evening. We have the unicorn spirit, which symbolizes pure healing, magic, and joy. They say you can see clearly now, and there are opportunities waiting for you. You are allowing your life to ramble by aimlessly, but you are being at peace, or you are being the peace in the family. They say your family wishes are coming true, and although people think you're an innocent, quiet person, you are very strong and independent within yourself. And something about you they want me to say is that you don't like violence. So if that's you, then you know this reading is for you. They say you see the big picture now, and what you're seeing is very frustrating for you. But they say it's your time now to turn knowledge into wisdom. You must keep your life in balance. You're not invisible anymore. You're making your dreams real, and you're going to have success in that area. Just lay solid foundations for yourself. You have had successful outcomes to some problems that you've had, and you're feeling uplifted and carefree about this. You're trusting the great mystery, and they say you are on the right path in some area of your life. You must just keep believing in yourself, and you must be careful of great pride. There's a fire within you that's starting up again. Something new, something wonderful is happening within you, and you must watch your words. You must aim for peace and harmony, and they say there's nothing goes to waste, and there is always enough. They say that you did have worries, depression, and anxiety, but you are looking after your home and the loved ones around you, and you learning from the past. They want you to know that Spirit has your back, and there is a change for the better coming. You must just remain positive. They want you to stay playful. Have a lovely evening, everybody. I love you all.